So now we're going to look at exponential graphs of the form y equals a to the x minus b. Now from work we've done previously on graph transformations, we'd expect a b directly next to the x like this being subtracted to be a horizontal translation of b units to the right when b is positive, so we have x minus b. So we want to plot this one, 2 to the x minus 4. Well, when x is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, so we get 1 here. When x is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 squared is 4. When x is 7, that will be 2 cubed, which is 8. Here at 2, this will end up being 2 to the negative 2, which is 1 over 2 squared, a quarter, 0.25. Now, I might go to the calculator for the next one. So 2 to the negative 4, that's 0.0625. And then this one will be 2 to the negative 6. So 2 to the power negative 6, 0.01, 5 and so on. So let's plot these. So 4, 1, let's do it in a different colour. 4, 1, 6, 4, what do we have? 7, 8, and then 2 was 0.25, which on this scale is about there, and 0, 0 point, so that's just going to be very small, and very small again out here, so that's going to be shaped like this. And I think it's easiest probably to see this somewhere like the intercept, where we can see that this has actually moved 4 units to the right. So similarities, well, they're exactly the same shape, or they should be, it's just that my drawing is not that good. Differences, well, the intercept is different because the intercept's translated over to here. But other than that, there's not a lot of differences. Another similarity is that they're both going to have the negative x-axis as an asymptote. And we've already discussed the transformation, translation horizontally 4 units to the right. So our red curve is a reference as y equals 2 to the x, and then we've got y equals 2 to the x minus k. So this should produce a horizontal translation. At the moment k is set to 0, so the 2 are just over the top. But I've moved that to 1. Then this would be 2 to the x minus 1. And we can see it did move to the right. And so on. If we move it back so that k is negative, then it moves to the left. So at the moment k is negative 2, this would be 2 to the power of x plus 2, and that's moved to the left 2 units compared to the red one. And we can see that probably if we look along this sort of line here, we can see that's a movement of 2 units to the left.